How can teachers fix touchscreen display compatibility with old software? Imagine trying to use a tablet with a program that was made years ago. The touchscreen might not respond properly, and frustration can set in. Teachers often face this problem when trying to use older software with modern touchscreen displays. Luckily, there are practical ways to fix this issue and keep your classroom tech running smoothly. First, check that the touchscreen hardware is connected correctly. Make sure the cables, whether USB or serial, match the device's specifications. Loose or mismatched connections can cause the touchscreen to not register touches properly. Also, verify that the power supply is adequate. An insufficient power source can lead to unresponsive screens. Next, focus on the drivers. Drivers are small software pieces that help the operating system communicate with the touchscreen hardware. If your software is old, it might rely on outdated drivers. Visit the touchscreen manufacturer's website to find and download the latest drivers or firmware updates compatible with your device and operating system. If you already have drivers installed, check if they are still valid or if rolling back to an earlier version might solve the problem. For capacitive touchscreens, which respond to finger touches through electrical charge, ensure the driver supports capacitive input. Some older drivers are designed for resistive screens that respond to pressure. Installing a driver specifically for capacitive screens can improve touch accuracy and responsiveness. Older operating systems like Windows 7 may handle touch input differently. If possible, consider updating the operating system to a newer version. If updating is not an option, try adjusting software settings to better recognize touch input. Sometimes, enabling touch support or calibration within the system settings can make a big difference. If the software itself does not support touch input, teachers can use third-party utilities. These tools translate touch gestures into mouse or keyboard commands, allowing older applications to respond to touch as if it were a mouse click or keystroke. This workaround can make old software more usable on modern touchscreens. Another option is to use web-based or cloud applications. These are designed to work across many devices and operating systems. They often rely on standard browser features, making them compatible with older hardware. Using these tools can bypass driver issues altogether. For a more long-term solution, schools can develop or adopt cross-platform touchscreen software built with modern frameworks like React Native or progressive web applications. These are designed to work seamlessly across different devices and operating systems, though they may require some technical support to set up. In summary, fixing touchscreen compatibility with old software involves checking hardware connections, updating drivers, ensuring driver support for the type of touchscreen, considering operating system updates or settings, using third-party tools to translate touch input, and exploring web-based or cross-platform software options. Following these steps can help teachers keep their classroom technology functioning well, making lessons more interactive and engaging for students.